robot chicken allowed to play at the robotics competition? Too many technical fouls. Welcome to the official Webb Robotics Week 9 recap. These are our last days before our first competition, so we've been working extra hard to ensure the robot is ready in time. Mechanical team vigorously tested the robot, uncovering some issues including weakness in the intake. They've since replaced the intake with stronger sides and edited the ramp to add an extra motor. CAD team has been instrumental in evaluating the workability of these solutions. They've also worked on designing and printing the camera mount, chain mounts, and radio case. Code has been testing their scripts for core replacement. The code for L2 and L3 work beautifully, but L4 is still being perfected. The scouters have been creating both a match and pit scouting for Magnolia Regional next week. Media team has been creating visual aids for the competition, including a new pit banner and binders for the Impact Award and technical judging. Bumper team has finally finished all 3 of our bumpers and has regretfully been disbanded until next year. We also have had members volunteering at the Boys and Girls Club, Pond Gap, and FLL, with many members attending the Science Olympiad competition this weekend. The lab might be slightly emptier than usual, but rest assured it will be just as productive. We'll be keeping you guys updated on our journey to Magnolia as we begin to pack up. See you guys then.